Imagine starting a business in 2026 that doesn't just make money, but actually helps save the planet. A business where customers choose you not just because your product is good, but because your values align with the future. Now here's the shocking part. The global green economy is expected to cross trillions of dollars in the next few years, and most people still have no idea which eco-friendly businesses will dominate next. If you're watching this video, you're already ahead of the curve. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the first eco-friendly business that is set to explode in 2026. The first business is sustainable packaging solutions. Plastic bans are increasing across the world, and companies are under pressure to switch to eco-friendly packaging. From food brands to e-commerce sellers, everyone is looking for alternatives that are biodegradable, compostable, or reusable. In 2026, businesses won't just want sustainable packaging, they'll be legally required to use it in many regions. This creates a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs who can manufacture or supply packaging made from materials like plant fibers, recycled paper, cornstarch, or even seaweed. What makes this business powerful is that it's B2B, meaning you're dealing with long-term clients instead of one-time customers. As sustainability reporting becomes mandatory, companies will actively search for packaging partners that help them reduce their carbon footprint. Moving to the second eco-friendly business idea, solar energy consulting and installation services. Solar power is no longer just an alternative, it's becoming the default choice. By 2026, rising electricity costs and government incentives will push households and businesses to adopt solar energy faster than ever. But here's the gap most people miss. Customers don't just need solar panels, they need guidance. They need help choosing the right system, managing installation, understanding subsidies, and maintaining the setup. A solar consulting business doesn't require you to manufacture panels yourself. You can act as a solution provider, partnering with manufacturers and installers while earning through consultation, installation commissions, and maintenance contracts. As energy independence becomes a priority, this business will only grow stronger. The third business on this list is eco-friendly personal care and wellness products. Consumers are becoming extremely conscious about what they put on their skin and hair. By 2026, demand for chemical-free, cruelty-free, and biodegradable personal care products will be at an all-time high. This includes soaps, shampoos, skincare, toothpaste, and even deodorants made from natural ingredients with sustainable packaging. What makes this business especially attractive is branding. People don't just buy the product, they buy the story behind it. If you can combine transparency, clean ingredients, and environmental responsibility, you can build a loyal community around your brand. Social media and influencer marketing play a huge role here, allowing even small brands to compete with big companies. Now let's talk about the fourth eco-friendly business, waste management and recycling services for local communities and businesses. Waste is one of the biggest problems of modern society, and governments alone can't handle it anymore. In 2026, cities and businesses will increasingly outsource waste segregation, recycling, and composting services to private players. This business goes beyond just collecting waste. It involves educating clients, setting up systems, and ensuring recyclable materials actually get reused instead of ending up in landfills. With the rise of zero-waste goals and corporate sustainability targets, companies will be willing to pay a premium for reliable waste management partners. This business also creates a strong local presence, making it difficult for competitors to replace you once you're established. The fifth business idea, and one of the most promising, is electric vehicle charging infrastructure and related services. Electric vehicles are no longer the future, they are the present. By 2026, EV adoption will be significantly higher, but charging infrastructure will still be playing catch-up. This gap creates an incredible opportunity. Entrepreneurs can set up EV charging stations in residential areas, offices, parking lots, and highways. Beyond charging stations, there's also potential in maintenance services, software for charging management, and partnerships with fleet operators. As governments push for cleaner transportation, EV-related businesses will receive policy support, subsidies, and long-term growth potential. At this point in the video, you can already see a pattern. These eco-friendly businesses aren't just good for the environment, they're solving real problems that society can no longer ignore. The sixth eco-friendly business to start in 2026 is upcycled and recycled product manufacturing. Upcycling is not just recycling, it's about turning waste into products of higher value. By 2026, consumers will actively seek brands that reduce waste creatively rather than just claiming sustainability. This business can include furniture made from reclaimed wood, fashion accessories from textile waste, decor items from scrap metal, or even corporate gifts made from recycled materials. What makes this model powerful is storytelling and differentiation. Every product has a history, and customers love knowing that their purchase prevented waste from entering landfills. With e-commerce and global shipping, even small workshops can sell internationally, making this a low-waste, high-margin business when executed correctly. The seventh business idea is organic and regenerative agriculture ventures. Food sustainability is becoming a global priority as soil degradation, chemical overuse, and climate change threaten food security. In 2026, organic farming alone won't be enough. Regenerative agriculture will be the real game changer. This approach focuses on restoring soil health, increasing biodiversity, and reducing carbon emissions. Entrepreneurs can enter this space by growing organic produce, supplying premium grains, starting farm-to-table brands, or even selling directly to conscious consumers through subscription models. Technology also plays a role here, with data-driven farming and sustainable irrigation methods increasing efficiency. As people become more health-conscious, they are willing to pay more for food that is ethically grown and environmentally responsible. Next up is the eighth eco-friendly business, green construction and sustainable home solutions. By 2026, construction regulations will increasingly favor energy-efficient and eco-friendly buildings. This creates demand for businesses offering green architecture, eco-friendly building materials, energy-efficient insulation, rainwater harvesting systems, and smart home energy solutions. Even renovation and retrofitting services will see massive growth, as older buildings need to meet new sustainability standards. This business works exceptionally well in urban areas where energy costs are high and space efficiency matters. Clients are not just looking to build homes, they want future-proof living spaces that reduce long-term expenses while minimizing environmental impact. The ninth business idea is eco-friendly digital services and sustainability consulting. As companies face pressure from investors, governments, and consumers to become sustainable, many simply don't know where to start. This is where sustainability consultants come in. By 2026, businesses will need help with carbon footprint analysis, ESG reporting, green certifications, and sustainable supply chain planning. What makes this business especially attractive is that it's knowledge-based and requires minimal physical resources. If you understand sustainability frameworks, data analysis, or environmental compliance, you can build a highly profitable service-based business. This space also aligns perfectly with remote work, allowing you to serve clients globally. The 10th and final eco-friendly business to start in 2026 is renewable energy storage and smart energy solutions. Renewable energy doesn't end with generation, it depends heavily on storage and efficient usage. As solar and wind energy adoption increases, the need for battery storage systems, smart grids, and energy management software will grow rapidly. Entrepreneurs can work in areas such as home energy storage solutions, commercial battery systems, or software platforms that optimize energy consumption. This business sits at the intersection of technology and sustainability, making it one of the most future-proof opportunities on this list. Governments and private investors are heavily funding this sector, which means strong growth potential for early movers. Now, when you look at all 10 businesses together, one thing becomes very clear. Eco-friendly businesses in 2026 are not about sacrifice, they're about smart innovation. They solve real problems, align with global policy shifts, and meet rising consumer expectations. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until these industries become overcrowded. The best time to enter was yesterday, but the second best time is now. If you're serious about starting a sustainable business, don't try to chase every idea at once. Pick one that matches your skills, your location, and your resources. Start small, validate demand, and scale with purpose. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's the foundation of future businesses. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it, share it with someone who's thinking about starting a business, and subscribe to the channel for more future-focused ideas like this. Let me know in the comments which eco-friendly business caught your attention the most, and whether you'd like a step-by-step startup guide on any of them. This is where opportunity meets responsibility, and those who act early will define the next generation of successful businesses.